The first most obvious step, of course, is cleaning it. If a surface is dirty, there's no way the paint will stick as well as if it were clean. But so many people never even think about cleaning the woodwork and the walls on an inside project. You know, it's not that complicated. You just take a clean, damp cloth and you wipe off all the surface dust. And if you have any stains like those greasy fingerprints you often get on door casings, you'll need to use some mild soap and water to cut the grease. If the stain is left behind after you clean those greasy spots, you'll want to coat the area with a stain-blocking primer before you continue. The primer is also a good idea if you're painting over bright colors or, say, artwork left behind from permanent markers. If you're planning to use latex paint over trim that was previously painted with oil, you'll also need to prime the surface so that the new paint will stick properly. The question is, how do you know if the old paint is oil or latex? Well, it's really pretty simple and a very simple test where you take a cloth and some denatured alcohol, put a little on it, then you just wipe the area that you're trying to determine, and if it's latex, it'll soften and rub off on the rag. If not, it's probably oil. Prime right over it.